So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain, Spoken English trainer and tutor. So first, we will start our topic, cashless society. Now we are going to discuss our topic, cashless society. So we will discuss one by one with the help of students. So I will invite everyone to one by one. You have to discuss on this topic. So do you already know the topic, cashless society? Where we don't use any cash. Okay, we are taking our making or taking our payments online. Okay, first I am inviting Ayush Mistry. So Ayush will tell about the what is cashless society, and Tejal also. Tejal, please come. Ayush and Tejal, please come. Yes, here, come here, come here, come. So Ayush, what do you understand about cashless society?
Uh, so I think cashless society is that type of society in which there is no cash used. Only online platforms are used to do payments, and also payments are done more faster than the normal usual time.
Okay. So Tejal, what do you understand about cashless society?
Cashless society is a society which is really advanced, and people are using the online payment. They don't have cash, and there are many advantages and disadvantages of cashless society. But we can say that cashless society is really existing nowadays, that there are so many societies and places which are really having cashless things.
Okay. Next, I am inviting. You can go both, Christy and Harsh. Please come on the stage. Fast, please come fast. Actually, Tejal and Ayush, they both tell about the cashless society. Now, I will ask Christy and Harsh. Means, is there any problem with cashless society, or is it good for our India or for our world?
Uh, s- so I think that there are both things, that it is good also, and there are also some disadvantages, and some problems can happen in our future. And as we are India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and with the help of him we are launching cashless economy, which will help in our future, so that the work of money and cash will be done with the help of digitally, and also by banks, debit cards or credit cards. And let's talk, is there any can there any problem rise? So I think that, yeah, 1 to 3 problems can also rise, because I think that there will be totally use of cashless society, and it will become cashless society in the future. So some people can also forget some things, and also some logic problems can come.
Very good. So actually, you already know India has launched UPI firstly. So actually, you in UPI system you already aware, means lots of applications using for Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. So India has launched first time, and most of the developed countries are facing some issues for cashless society. But India has no problem right now, because means our government has allowed so many platforms to pay online. Okay, so Hers, do you have any idea about any UPI interface or any other cashless payment mode? Okay, next I'm inviting Harsh, so Harshit Agrawal and Divyansh. So Harshit Agrawal will let you know about the payment mode of online payment modes like Phone Pay, by Phone Pay, Google Pay, and Paytm, or just by cards and all.
So there are many platforms by which that we can use to pay online, and nowadays we know that in future our society become cashless, and there are so many platforms by which we can do online payment, like PhonePe, and also Google Pay, Bharat Pay, and we can see in so many shops that they put QR code in their shops, and they pay online.
So, yeah, Divyansh, do you know means how the actually we pay by the QR code or just we pay by the numbers means directly contact number. So, is it safe to pay?
Yes, it is safe. It is safe or not both, because we can see that now times so many shops have QR code with audio. So when we pay online phone pay, so sound so audio say us, and in past time, so we also see that so many online frauds also have.
Yes. Next, I am inviting Aradhya and Samyak. Please come on the stage. So, Aradhya, will let you know about actually just is there any problem with QR code? Actually, sometimes I have listened some persons change the QR codes. Have you ever also listened?
Yes, sir, and it also happened in front of me when I was in Supermart. One person has done payment with the help of QR code, but it doesn't reach to them, and it created a lot of problem. And means he was in a great panic because he has to go somewhere, and it has taken his 2-3 hours. And after this, they get to know that it is having a means problem. So I think sometimes it is having a huge problem because it is not working properly, or there is an issue which we haven't checked. So I think QR code creates a huge problem sometimes, and which gives a panic mode to a person who is using QR code, as he is panicked because he thoughts that I have already done by my payment, and if he is not having cash, he is just doing online. So he will be more ensured that what I will do now, because I'm not having cash, my QR code is not working. So in this way, I think QR code is sometimes
So, Samyak, have you done any? Have you done face any kind of problem whenever you pay by online or cashless?
So according to me, I have never faced any type of problem while doing payment by digital things, because as we all know that when we are our society is nothing without some cash.
Yes. Next, I am inviting Garv and Paridhi. Paridhi, you will let me know or let us know about the advantages of cashless society.
So there are so many advantages of cashless society. Like there are very less chances of money can be stolen because we don't have cash. They don't take phone because they don't know the password of our phone pay or anything else. And also, like we carry phone everywhere, but we don't carry cash everywhere, so we can do online payment anywhere. And
Just you will let you know about the disadvantages of cashless society. Okay, you don't know. Just you can go. Yes, Ishika and Harsidyada, please come on the stage. Ishika, have you ever faced any problem with cashless?
No, I never face any cashless payment because I pay cash. But can I tell you some disadvantages? Yes, it has disadvantages, like it sometimes it doesn't work, and it is also hacked, and it has also network problem.
Harshit Yadav, you will also tell about the disadvantages of cashless society.
So there are so many disadvantages of cashless society. First one is that someone hacks our software, so our accounts will be zero. Second one is that there will be some technical issues we have to face while we are paying with UPI or any website.
Please come on the stage, Shrey and Purvi. So, Shrey, you will let you know about what is the future of cashless society in our country and all over the world.
so
So, in my opinion, if we talk about our country futures, so as we know that India is a developing country, and nowadays people also like to use this because it is very easy and they get quick response of this, and they are also not facing any problem. And if we talk about in the world, so means it is a very good thing for them because it just done our work easily, and the pupils are also not facing any problem.
Purvi, you will let you know about the cashless society.
So cashless society are these society cashless, like we pay with online, not cash.
Manvi and Yashraj, please come on the stage. So you will cover the points. Means those students are already not covered right now about the cashless society. So Yashraj, you will let me know about.
So first I will tell you what is a society. A society is a thing where all the peoples and many of the other peoples lives only in a single society, like their okay. So cashless society is a type of society in which people use phone pay and online payment for using for paying for things instead of paying cash. And it is also sometimes good because many people don't know cash, so sorry, many people don't know have cash, so they can pay by their mobile, by UPI or other things. And there are many things by which we can pay, like UPI, Bharat Pay and other things. But sometimes it is bad because without cash the society is nothing, because there are many things done by cash, not by online payment. That all.
So Manvi, you will let us about some advantages of cashless society. Those students are already not covered.
Okay, so there are so many advantages of cashless society, like in future everyone prefer to do online payment instead of cash because technology is very developed and it's more easier to pay, because there are so many people who prefer to do online payment instead of cash, because in that there are no more tough way to do, like there are simple ways to only we have to only put our pin code and enter money, and then easily it is transferred to that account, and it is more easier instead of cash. Like in there are so many problems in online payment sometimes, but that is more easier and more safely.
Just okay. So Yashraj and Kush, sorry, Shivansh and Kush, please come on the stage. So Shivansh and Kush, you will let me know about, do you want to go with cash or cashless? Okay, and why?
Sir, sir, I want to go. I want to go with cashless because it's more fast. It's more fast. It's more faster, and it. But sometime the cash is stuck in a way, like if like a few minutes ago you are that sometimes our cash is stuck while paying by QR code. So we can call helpline number, so the shopkeepers change the QR code. And cashless society has not come properly in our country India.
Shivansh, you will let us know about, means do you want to prefer cash or cashless India?
Sir, I also go with the cashless society because society are cashless online payment and digital payment is more more faster and more secure than cash, more secure than cash, and its conversion is in the we can operate a business by operating by operating a digital paymentation like Bharat Pay and Phone Pay.
So now I will invite some students who will conclude this topic. Okay, please come on the stage. So please come on the stage fast. You will let your point one by one, and we will conclude this topic. Okay, you have to do conclusion only. Okay. Yes. Start by Harshit Agrawal.
I want to say that cashless society has both impacts, positive or negative, and all students in good manner. And in last, I want to say that in future that it is also right that that all people use this and our society cashless.
Yeah, in cashless society, if our India follow cashless society, then it will be helpful that India will become cashless in India. But for the other foreigners, it will be difficult. But if we have this type of thing, it will be good and a little bit difficult for our India to work on it. So all the students have performed well on their performance.
Yes, according to me, if India will use only online payment for all the persons, and all the persons of India will live and prefer to live in a high society, cashless society. So India will live in cashless society.
So actually, all three students told about means they will prefer cashless society, but actually I will not accept this thing because we are means we have to accept cash right now because we are totally dependent. You already know means our India means will not be cashless right now or till now. Actually, it will take in some years because so many persons are illiterate. Okay, so first we have to literate the people and literate the nature of the country also. Okay, yes, Christy.
So I think that, and I also told about the cashless society which will be launched in some time and in some years. So I think that in today's world we should also accept the cashless society, and there should be it should be in use slowly and one by one. But because it's when it will come just like surprisingly, so there will be a lot of problems of, as sir also told about illiterate people, and also many problems because surprisingly a thing can come.
So according to me, both the societies are good, with cash societies and cashless also. But if we want, if the India will become the cashless society, so we should be aware about the cashless societies, that so many frauds are happening in cashless society.
So yes, it is really important that we should have cash, and we should also have online payment, because there are many ways. Sometimes cash is needed and sometimes online payment is needed. So if we talk about the what kind of thing we can take, so as sir also told that we cannot reject cash, because there are so many things which can only be done by cash, and our India is also developing, so there are many places which are cashless, but still there are many people who don't know about those things. So first we have to make our India more educated. When everyone will become educated, then we will be able to make our India cashless.
So yes, you will complete this topic.
So I think cashless India will be good, but without cash, the persons who are means having more cash, they would be submitting it to the bank. But means most of the things which are done with the help of cash, like small things, like we have to buy something. So it is a very small thing and it is very cheap. So we have to use online payment all the time. We have to, either we are using cards, but it is not good as that as cash. So I think I would go with cash. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.